Starting a business is one of the riskiest endeavors one can take. Some fail, some succeed, and some just can't start because of that fear that they may or may not succeed. Some just want to play safe and avoid that path. With the cost of doing business always on the rise, entrepreneurs are always on a budget. For your business, it's just not feasible, at least not for everyone. We've got good news for you. More customers and optimize your business even when you're on a budget. Number 1, use technology. Look for free or inexpensive yet efficient software and applications that can best serve your business, and use it. 2, reach out to more people, experts, strangers, and even competitors, and let them know that you and your business exist. Not only is this a form of free promotion, but it is also a way of building relationships to extend your influence. Number 3, outsource. Outsourcing is the best kept secret in building a successful business today. Outsourcing can help you get jobs done at a much lower cost without sacrificing quality. But it has to be done right. Imagine yourself having a well-trained virtual assistant that is taking care of your business as if it's their own. No more compromising both your time for your family and for yourself. Global Officeworks has an entire management team in place to support you. See your business scale up while everything is taken care of for you. Call us today. USA and Canada, 970-722-6300. Australia, 024-040-9814. Or email at info@globalofficeworks.com. You can also visit our website, globalofficeworks.com.